Welcome to this tutorial on how to manage locations in the Office Equipment module. Locations let you track exactly where each piece of equipment is kept, making it much easier to find items and keep your inventory organized across different offices or departments. Let's get started. From the menu, click on System Setup to open the configuration area for this module. This is where foundational settings, like locations, are managed before you start logging equipment. Click on Location to navigate to the Location Management section, where all your existing locations are listed and managed. Click on the Add button to begin adding a new location. Click on the Name field and type in the name of the location, for example, Head Office Storeroom or Branch Office IT Room. Clear specific names make it much easier for your team to assign equipment to the right place. Click on the Description field and add some extra detail about the location, like which floor it's on, or what kind of equipment is typically kept there. This gives helpful context to anyone managing inventory across multiple sites. Once the name and description are filled in, click Create to save the new location. It's now available to assign whenever equipment is added or moved. After creating it, you will find the newly created location in the location list, which you can also come back and make changes to anytime. And that's it for this one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.